What's up, this is Big Bomb with you today. Like you've seen my last video, I got a lathe. It didn't work. But here's a new lathe I just got a couple days ago. Got some wood. You know they're all like soft wood, except for this like round one. Got a heater in the garage because it's cold outside and this garage doesn't have any insulation in it. Got my goggles to protect my eyes. Got my actual new lathe that works. And I've turned up some wood, but this is a piece I've been trying to go at with this, I guess they call it a cutting gouge or whatever, or something like that. The piece just doesn't feel smooth at all. It feels like it's got a bunch of splinters in it. And I mean, here you can also see I use this little foot air thing to blow all the dust, because I'm lazy to go grab my air compressor and use that. But here, let me show you real quick what it's like when I do this. Putting on my goggles right now. And I don't have anything set up, so don't do what I'm about to do, and ignore safety. I get it up, turning on, set around 1000 RPM. So I get this, I'm doing my same technique, but I'm holding it up against my body, and holding it with this. Okay, yeah. Holding it with this, putting on that, and then going in. See? It does. I can't get it. I can't do this. Anyone out there that can help me figure out what I'm doing wrong? Maybe it's the speed. This is like about an inch in diameter. But yeah. If anyone's out there can help, I'd love you to help teach me what I'm doing wrong that isn't working. Thanks. This has been Big Bomb. See you guys in the next video.